right, welcome back. The first official Reggae Ambassador for Reggae Month, the strong one, is with us now to talk about what this historic title truly means to her and how she's carrying the culture forward. Welcome, Etana! And the studio go wild.
Etana, congratulations to you. How does it feel to be named, the first official Reggae Ambassador for Reggae Month this year?
Oh man, I'm still elated from the beginning. I was very surprised, but I'm also grateful to JCDC and the Minister Babs Grange, our great Minister Babs Grange, for making such a decision. I think, I feel like every reggae artist, true reggae artist, is an ambassador for the music and for our culture. But to hear our government say it in the way that they did, I think that was awesome.
Yeah, seriously, because I was about to ask you a while ago about the title and what it means to you and all of that, but I mean, you kind of gone into it, and it's so good what you just said a while ago, that every reggae artist is an ambassador for the culture, right? Because every time you step on that stage, you're representing Jamaican reggae.
Yes.
Right. So how do you feel, though? I mean, when you go on a stage, usually, knowing that you're out there representing the music before it became official, did you always have it in your head that I'm here representing the music?
I feel like I represent Jamaica every time I go on the stage. I feel like I represent everyone who's ever touched my life in a positive way when I step on that stage. My grandmother, my teachers, from a primary and a prep school, them, and every DJ who ever played the music, people that, were instrumental in making me who I am today. It's never just me by myself, enough people. And so I feel like I represent every one of them when I step on that stage.
And in terms of your representation, though, Etana, looking ahead, what would you like people to remember from, your era as a reggae ambassador?
Oh, man, I want them to remember that I love my country, I love my people, I love everything about them, the good and the bad, because it's all what makes us who we are. When you said Jamaica, the world smile. And that to me is incredible. It makes me proud to say that I am Jamaican.
Absolutely.
It makes me proud to say that I'm from this country, because this music that we create from our culture, remember, we have to be who we are for the music to come alive the way that it did, right? So I'll always something. So for me, I want for everybody to remember me and my contribution to reggae music and our culture. In a way, or like I said, I want them to remember that I wanted to uplift them, to inspire them, and to encourage them, and to make their journey through life feel lighter. I feel like that is my purpose.
No, I love that. That's why she's a strong one. Listen to me. Well, she could not be inside here in the studio and not give us a little something and show us the reason why she was selected as Jamaica's first Reggae Ambassador. So, Etana, the microphone, my darling. Take it away, honey. All right.
I will love you without condition. I will love you without a million. Even when your friends are gone and left you one. I will love you when the pot is empty. I will love you when you're not so strong. I will love you even if you can't see right from wrong. Even though you broke my heart, and I lay here in the dark, tears rolling down my face, flowing from my heart. I will never leave your side, ride or die, right here till the end, my lover, my friend. I will love you when you're at your lowest, share your bright days in the dark. I'll be there when it's the coldest to keep you warm. I will love you even when you can't love me the way I love you. Even when you think it's over, you broke my heart, and I lay here in the dark, tears rolling down my face and flowing from my heart. I will never leave your side, ride or die, right here till the end, my lover, my friend. From my heart, I will never leave your side, ride or die, right here till the end, my lover, my friend. Even though you broke my heart, and I lay here in the dark, tears rolling down my face and flowing from my heart, leave your side, ride or die, right here till the end, my lover, my friend. I want you to know that no matter what we go through, I will never leave your side, ride or die, right here till the end, my lover, my friend. Even though you broke my heart, and I lay here in the dark, tears rolling down my face and flowing from my heart. I will never leave your side, ride or die, right here till the end, my lover, my friend, my friend, my friend.
You can sing! God damn! Oh my gosh!
Yes. Thank you so much, Etana, for coming in today. And this is where we end today's show.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, we hope you're leaving with your hearts full, your spirits lifted, and those positive reggae vibes carrying you into your weekend.
Absolutely, guys. The thought for today is coming from the legendary Bob Marley. One good thing about music: when it hits you,
feel no pain.
You feel no pain, right? Etana will be taking us out, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye. Stay safe.